This is the CRC-16 and CRC-32 Checksum Generator for Modbus, which calculates cyclic redundancy check values for error detection in serial communications. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have the CRC Type dropdown menu with two options, CRC-16 Modbus and CRC-32. For this demonstration, I'm using CRC-16 Modbus. Below that is the data bytes field where you enter your hex string. The placeholder shows an example format like 0103000000A. Then simply click the Calculate CRC button to generate your results. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 10 in the data bytes field. After clicking Calculate CRC, we get 4 outputs. The CRC value in hex shows 8 CBE. This is your calculated checksum in hexadecimal format. The CRC decimal value is 36030, which is the same checksum converted to decimal. Most importantly, the full frame with CRC shows 10 8CBE. This is your original data byte, followed by the 2-byte CRC checksum, ready to transmit. This complete frame is what you'd send over your Modbus network to ensure data integrity. This tool streamlines CRC calculation for Modbus protocol implementation. Find the link in the description below.